Hey guys, welcome back to Krystal Klear Ideas, where we are diligently planning towards success. And in this video, I am going to show you my brand new daily planner, how I'm going to be using it, and what actually broke my no spin, my no by July, you guys. This planner actually broke my no by July. I purchased it on the 26th of July because I had run out. So prior to this, I actually was using my EC folio, and I do have some notebooks here, and I was thinking about going ahead and diving into this, but then I decided, hey, let's go ahead and try something different while I can. This served its purpose and I absolutely love it, but it also gave me some ideas of how I wanted to kind of incorporate some other things in my daily as well. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. And if I decide that I like it, I may stick to a hardbound. But if I don't, I could always go back to my EC folio because I do have some things in here that I can use. So what I ended up doing is I made a purchase from Go Get a Girl, and I actually took a look at Shanice's video. Shanice from Planners and Tacos, she actually made a purchase from Go Get a Girl. I believe she purchased the same exact notebook that I did, except hers was in lavender and it was the horizontal setup. I actually like the vertical. You know I'm a vertical girl. And these were on sale because, as you guys know, as we're approaching the new planner season, with September approaching, everyone's getting ready to get their lineup set up for, school year, the school year term. And so a lot of planners are actually on sale right now. And so I decided, hey, now's a good time to go ahead and dive in before they're all gone. The one I really wanted, the color that I really wanted, was kind of similar to this color, but it was already sold out, and all they had left in the layout that I wanted was this one. So I went ahead and broke my no by July to go ahead and get it, and I was super surprised that it arrived before August even rolled in. So in preparation of August, we are going to go ahead and get this set up. There are a few things that I'm awaiting that I have not gotten yet because, as you guys know, even though I did break my no spin, I didn't want to go all in. I wanted to still, keep it reined in. So this month I will go ahead and add what I want, but I kind of already have an idea of what I want to do to set it up. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. It says Euphoria, Go Get a Girl, thank you. And of course, it's by Rach Marie. This is her here, who's the owner. And of course, she puts everything here. Thank you so much. That's her website, everything if you want to check her out. This is my first purchase from her planner line. So we will see how it goes. And it also came with this card that I can actually add to my planner if I'd like. So this is what I've gotten. Let's take it out. It's in the white leather, which I'm not mad at. And it's actually in like a half letter size. Super excited about that. Now it looks like something is on here. What is that? Okay, got it off. Whatever it was. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It feels really smooth. It has a snap here. There we go. Very snug and secure. And what I actually picked up was the dot grid vertical. Is very plain. It's just like a notebook. The dot grid notebook is what I picked up. And it says, Go Get a Girl. This notebook belongs to. Super cute. Looks very sturdy. The paper feels like really thick. So I can't wait to experiment with it. And yeah, I am going to set this up to use for daily spreads. So let's go ahead and get decorating. So to be honest with you guys, I do have a few ideas. I actually received this from Shalonda in my order from Indian Ivy Ink. And I want to use this to kind of stick here to kind of cover this up. I also have some vellum and acetate that I received from some of my old school Simply Gilded orders. I am going to take out my paper trimmer and I'm going to slice these because I do want to layer them somehow. And I also have some tissue paper here that I would love to use as a background. the ideas are just flowing, you guys. They're just flowing. So just rock with me for a little bit. Let me see what I can put together. And I'm sure I'm not going to be able to complete everything that I want to complete, but at least I can get it started. Let's go. All right, you guys. So I actually used this Tawana Simone Mariah sheet to go ahead and put everything in for the week. Also used my Xyron Mega Runner, which I was gifted. Super exciting. And so this is what I've done so far. I went ahead and used some tissue paper and I put it on the bottom. I'm not sure how I felt about this. I wish I would have moved this, but I don't want to rip the doll. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Also, what I wanted to show you guys is that I went ahead and layered some acetate and vellum that I got from Simply Gilded along with some washi. I think it's pretty simple, but it turned out okay. I may go through and add some different things in here a little bit later, but as of right now, I'm pleased. Also, what I did is I went ahead and this is like the August Perpetual Calendar. I did a little bit too much here, but I like the way it turned out. It's okay. It'll work. Serve its purpose. I'll actually keep my list of meals here as well as just different events that are taking place that I need to keep in mind. Just need a place where I can jot some things down. This right here is going to be my brain dump section. I love peacocks, so you guys know I had to go ahead and bring this in. I love the fact that I actually use my tape runner and, you know, use some permanent adhesive to put it down. That way it won't be moving around. I should have done that on this one, but I didn't want it to be too bulky. So I just left it as is. And then I used some of my letters from the alphabet sticker book from Happy Planner to go ahead and put down brain dump. This doll is from Red Lyrics. All the dolls that I've used so far are from Red Lyrics except for the Indian Ivy ink name. And then also the Tawana Simone that I used for the first week. This is actually going to be my August monthly. I actually will be printing and then making stickers to put here. So you guys stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I'm going to film it. I may just show it in my next Plan With Me. But I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do a back to school theme or what I'm going to do here. But I think I'm going to use the A5 size and just cut it down. So that's the plan for that. And then I wanted to go ahead and start my weekly just because I know that I was going to need to write some things down. Also, I wanted to kind of keep it a little minimal this first week so that I can kind of focus on what I'm going to have taking place. Excuse me. Usually I'll do a whole day for the daily planning, but this time I decided to go ahead and put 2 days on a page, and I started with August 1st, even though it was Sunday, just because I wanted to make sure I had a complete month in here and I didn't skip any days. So I'm super excited. I'm hoping this will be enough space, but if it's not, then what I can do is go ahead and reconvene next month and do each page a day. Use a day for each page. So far, this is what I got going on. These boxes are from LuxCleverCrafts. Matches perfectly, and I love them. They are on premium matte sticker paper, which is what we use. We are going to be having a refresh in the shop come September, so you guys stay tuned for that video. I actually tried to foil this, but it wasn't printed on a laser printer, but it did have like a little bit of foil that stuck to it, so I thought it would be okay just to put it on here. Especially with all the yellows and the turquoise. Love it, love it, love it. And so, yeah, I'm super excited. These here are going to be for either my power hour or my scripture for each day. And then I'll go ahead and make a list of what I have going on. I may not do time blocking as I did before, but we shall see. And I love the brain dump so that I can just dump whatever I need to dump right here for the month of August. So I'm super excited. You guys, look, it's already looking a little chunky with all the things that I've added. Kind of want to do a mix between like a bullet journal and a daily planner and just kind of make it my own. So I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or ideas, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to Krystal Klear Ideas. Bye, guys.